Hakajing temu ke Sorkar Jylla ban Pynitynnad bat ban Pynwan durjana ya kan nongba sor Shillong kham tam ya ka Ïewduh hakakat santari ujemang arja arpusan Menteri rangba ke Jylla konrad ke sangma ula Pynbna patba baka Sorkar Jylla kala Pynkhreh sa khatsan Klur ban beitingka na ka banta ban Pynwan Pynitynnad ya ka ka Ïewduh. Ya kani Menteri rangba ula Pynbna kat ba udang ajing kran hakas ngibu ma nong rim ya ka Indigenous Cultural Center jongka sengkasi kami kepadan hamau khar Shillong. Haba jingkran konrad kia sangma ulaong banalor ke projek ke bahnriu Klur ban Pynbna ya ke Ïewduh da ke Pynbna ya ki nala ki lentiyat ke jat bat ki weide ki jingtrai menta ke Sorkar Jylla kala Pynkhreh sa khatsan Klur ban Pynwan Pynitynnad bha ya ke Ïewduh ke badai uklong snam jong ki nong rap.
Work is going on as we speak. I hope you should sometimes go and see. I'll be visiting Ïewduh very soon. And you'll be happy to see that we are actually clearing the footpaths, we're making them, we're creating the nalas, we're taking the pipes out. And more importantly, I want to share, because it's a great platform to share it, that we have already finalized another 15 crores for development of Ïewduh. So we will see that in the next maybe 3 to 6 months time, we'll be talking about renovating the shops, tendering also, all will be done. And Ïewduh, which is, as I said, is in a way the heart, the soul of our, our farmers, our small business people, and it's an area where a lot of activity is there, and sadly it was neglected for a long time. And I'm happy today that, as I said, 6 crores work is going on, and another 15 crores will be sanctioned. And like that, as I said, in many areas, we are very clear that as a government, we have to work with partnership, we have to work with the community, we have to work with different groups, and that is the only way that we can all succeed in what we are doing. Government is a facilitator. We are here to facilitate the different aspects and take forward the different policies and create the necessary infrastructure. But it is the people, the stakeholders, the community who have to then partner with us and ensure that we move forward in what objective that we had started.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.